Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you whenever you are launching the Rockstar games, if you get this error like sorry we are unable to handle your request at this time, error code 100.7. If you get this error, I give you some steps you will try to if this problem fix it. And in this video seeing before, if you are beginner, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't waste of time. Let's look at the steps. In these steps one by one follow to this problem fix. Let's look at the first step. Restart your system. So we can go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. Then we can go to try next step. Since time and date, so we need settings. So search the settings by using the search bar. Then we can click to open. Then we can find and select the time and language. Then click on the date and time. Then we can scroll down. Then here since now option there are available. So just click on it since now button. You did it, then you will come to back. Then we can go to try next step. Delete social club folder. So press the Windows button plus X button. Then choose the run. Then run option box. Then type %local app data %. Then hit the OK to open the file explorer. Then find and select the social club folder. Then select and right click and choose the delete option. Once you did it, then you will come to back. Then we can go to try next step, trying to use VPN connection. So if you have VPN app or any software, just you click download and connect to check that your Rockstar games. Sometimes this method work it. Just try it. After that, your problem should be fixed. Also, if you have any doubt, go to the comment section and leave the comment. I'll definitely reply to you. And also like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.